Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have what I believe to be the first ever working 4-stud wide Lego pistol that also has the ability to be field stripped. So here I have the amazing Walther P38 World War II era handgun made out of Lego. The year is 1938, just a year before the starting of World War II. The German army needed a new pistol to replace their current service pistol, the Luger P08. The problem with the Luger was that the mechanism was too complex to mass produce, and the cost of manufacturing a single one was way too high. To solve this problem, a company named Walther developed and tested a new pistol called the Walther P38. The pistol was accepted for mass production in the year of 1938, however, it wasn't mass produced until 1940. The pistol was made to chamber the powerful 9mm Luger cartridge, which was very powerful for the time. About 1.2 million models were produced for the war. The Walther P38 is definitely a pretty amazing piece of history.